Well, we are in Kenilworth in the old High Street, and they're having the lights turn on tonight. There's Santa's round table sleigh, and there's the bouncy what's it, and there's the projection up on the house, and here's the other stuff over here. Don't know what this is. Oh, that's chocolate. It's chocolate. No duck race on Boxing Day. Loaded fries. Never quite understood that. Here's my darling wife. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and ringing the bell. Special thank you to all those who have subscribed, and thank you for the lovely comments of late as well. And now I just need to say that if you haven't subscribed and you're going to, well, you're actually going to make an old man quite happy. Loaded chips, I don't know what they are, fries as they call them. Lots of things here, lots of things. Putting up the stall, putting up a light. Oh my word, I didn't realise there was going to be all this over here. We could have had something over here. Well, yeah, but we just had some. We don't want to be a pig. Buying hospice coffee thing. And as always nowadays, lots of little lights for lighting up.
This is Punch and Judy.
Punch and Judy, I've heard it all now. Ah, lots of lights, lots of things. Right, well there it all is. But
They're doing hot chocolate there for donations to Waverley Day Sit.
oh, very good.
Just now, I think that.
Who is? Church?
Just here.
Is that the church?
No.
Oh, isn't it? Well, should we go down here? Let's go down, Irene. Oh, have a little look down here, down towards where our church is. That's all lit up for the Christmas trees. So I think the time we get the gallery's open, I think perhaps we'll go in the church and have a little look. That's nice, isn't it? Look at that.
Well, I thought you'd wait and see it.
Well, yeah, well, I want to film so I can chat with her if I film beforehand. So, yes, we're having a little discussion whether we should go now or whether we should go later. We'll have to see. Well, I think I'll say thank you for watching there, and we'll start again inside. So bye for now. Thank you for watching. This is the Rambler in Kenilworth, United Kingdom. Bye for now.